When is a warrant necessary to conduct a search? Hi, my name is Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a bit about when a cop needs a warrant to be able to search through your stuff. Um, the answer is not always. There are certain situations where they can conduct a search or a limited search or seize property without a warrant. One example would be if you're pulled over on the side of the road and for some reason the officer thinks that they need to bring out a canine unit, and the dog comes out, goes around your car, and alerts on something near your car, like your trunk or your side door, something like that, and they find drugs as a result of that. They didn't need a warrant to find those drugs because they were given cause from that dog giving them the signal. Another example would be uh, let's say law enforcement's called to your home one night because somebody called and reported an assault and battery, and you open the door and you're fine, but they hear someone screaming and crying in the background saying, "I'm bleeding, why would you do that to me?" Well, at that point, cops don't need a warrant to enter your house. They hear someone in distress, they hear someone claiming that they need medical attention, they hear someone saying that you physically hurt them, and they were already out there for a call for domestic violence. They don't need a warrant to go into your house at that point. They can go in, look around, help the alleged victim, and get them out of there, et cetera, et cetera. Now, here's a little bit a step further, and I've talked about this before. This is called the plain view doctrine. So let's say the cops go into your house to help the victim, and while going through your house, they find the victim in the kitchen with straight slashes on her body and a bloody knife on the counter. They didn't really search the place. They saw the knife right there. They can seize it. It's out in plain view. If they see, heroin out on the counter or on the coffee table, even though they weren't called for that, that's an illegal substance in your home that was out in plain view. They don't have to have a warrant to seize that. They can take anything they can look at anything that's just out in plain view for them to see. And if it's illegal or evidence of another crime that's been committed, they can go ahead and grab that also. So it's very important that you understand these rights and understand when a cop does or does not need a warrant, so that we can make sure that you are protected and that your rights are protected as the case moves forward. If you have questions about this, or if you think that your property was searched or seized improperly, give us a call. My name is Birkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.